So as we are done with creating those layers, now it is time to create the AOVs. As we discussed earlier, that AOVs are the secondary passes that we render to get a better control in the post-production for creating our desired outputs. So we will be creating two different types of AOVs. One will be manual, that we will create manually, and also few will be already there in Arnold's AOVs tab. So we will use these two. Few we have created. Now I need to create a few more. uh, I will be only creating that we need in each and every project. Okay, means like the mostly used AOVs that we need, I will be creating those. Also, I'll be showing you different AOVs ones, what are those and what are their what they look like. And after that, I will keep these AOVs only in those layers that they need to come with. Means in BG Beauty, we don't need this crypto mat and all, Z COC and Z depth, because they will be already rendered in, will be rendering in this BG mat. So we don't need in this layer. Okay. So we will only render the AOVs that are required in this particular layer. Other than that, we will just turn them off in that particular layer using layer override, that we will discuss in next class. Okay. So first you will see already we have made these crypto mats earlier. Now I'll be adding some other. So go to the master layer, and here I will add all those UVs that we need. First, I will go with this hmm, diffuse, then diffuse albedo, diffuse direct, diffuse indirect, direct emission, indirect, and specular albedo, specular indirect, triple S albedo, direct, indirect, transmission albedo, direct, indirect, and just a minute. For now, this is it. So we have created lots and lots of AOVs. So just render once and let's see what all these AOVs looks like. Okay. For this, I will render this BG Beauty only, and let's go to Arnold, open render view. Okay, and here go to render and make sure this progressive refinement is on, so that we could uh, see this render ASAP. The render starts. So press on this button. So here you can check all the AOVs. uh, okay, you can check all the AOVs in here. In this button you have to click and just down arrow button. Here it is COC, that is basically occlusion, and then there is Z depth that we can see in Nuke. I will show it to you. Cryptomat asset, it will actually present a cryptomat of whole scene that I told you earlier. This is cryptomat material. Different objects which have different material are coming in different colors. Object material, all the objects are made by different object nodes, that's why they all are coming in different colors. Then we have diffuse, in which all the direct lights, also indirect lights, are coming in there. There will be no reflection, no refraction of any kind, but all the GI and all the direct lights is there. Then there is diffuse albedo. Albedo basically means the diffuse map that is there for all those material. Its color is being present in here. Then we have diffuse direct, that will only show the direct light, influence of the direct light. Direct light means whatever light is hitting directly, there is no any bounce light. All those lights that are showing there are basically the direct light hitting those objects. Then we have diffuse indirect, that is basically our GI pass. All the global illumination will be there. Okay, then there is this direct. So this direct will also have the reflection values along with it, basically specular values and all those direct lighting. there is no indirect lighting, but all those specular created by direct light, basically these specular in here are directly being created by our sources of light. There is this specular is not the part of any bounce light. Okay, then we have emission. Okay, emission, there is no object that is having emission, that's why it's coming blank. Indirect, if you will now see that all these specular and all refraction and all you can see in this indirect pass, all the transmission and all, it is basically presenting all the inbounds or indirect lighting in here along with the refractions and reflections. Okay, then there is shadow matte. Basically it is showing all the shadow areas. We don't need that actually in this one, but if you want to enhance your shadows in comp, you can use this one also. Then there is specular, specular and reflections are coming in it. In Arnold there will be only one pass. In some other softwares like Redshift, V-Ray, you can find specular different in a different pass and also reflection in different pass. But in Arnold all those specular and reflection come in a same pass. Okay, so these are the specular created by all those lights and also the indirect lights. Okay, then we have specular albedo, that it will present a grayscale map for the specular. Okay, here specular direct, that will show the specular created by the direct light, means direct sources of light. Then specular indirect means specular created by all those indirect lights. Then there is triple S, that is subsurface scattering. Okay, and then there is triple S albedo, triple S direct, and triple S indirect. Okay, and then there is transmission. All the transparency or refraction you can say come along transmission. Okay, and then there is direct or indirect transmission. Indirect transmission is coming black because no direct light is hitting these objects. Okay, and indirect it's so coming properly. So these are all the passes that we have rendered. We don't need all these passes. Okay, few I will remove, but these are the main passes that you can find in Arnold. Okay, these are the main passes that any production house uses for most of their work. Yeah, sometime we create our custom AOVs that I will show you. Okay, before that I will just remove all those unnecessary AOVs that I don't need. So go to render setup, and for simply deleting, all you have to do is come here and just select all those unnecessary AOVs. Like I don't need this diffuse or diffuse albedo, so I will click here and now they are gone from there. I need this diffuse direct or indirect. Also I don't need this direct and indirect. Emission it's not coming, but I will keep it. Shadow matte, of course we will need it later on another layers, not in this particular layer. Also I will keep specular, and I will remove all these. Okay, and then I will also keep only triple S, also only transmission. Okay, so this is it. These are the main uh, 5 to 6 AOVs that we will need. Also what I need is I need separate passes for each and every direct light. Means for we have 3 or 4 lights in scene. So what I want is that skylight should come as one in one pass, room light should come in a one pass, and this lamp light should come in one pass. These are called light passes. So we need to actually create them manually. Okay, so the process of that is bit tedious, but actually it's not that tedious. You can understand it if you will look closely. So let's get started in that. So for creating those AOVs, light passes, we need to first create the group for these lights. What I mean is, select any of these light, like I've selected this lamp light. Go to attribute editor, and here in visibility tab of this lamp light shape, if you will go to shape tab of your lamp light or any other light, in visibility tab you will find AOV light group. If you will see for the first time, it will be written as default, but as I have created already those group, that's why it was written C. So I have manually written C in here. So I will just write C in here. For room lit A, you will find in visibility I have written B, and for room fill, sorry, sky fill, I have written group A, and also for sky portal, it sorry, sky portal doesn't have anything, because sky portal is basically the extension of your sky fill. It doesn't have its own values or anything. It is just concentrating the whole amount of light in scene, that is of sky fill. So after this, what we need to do is we have to go to render setups, and in here you will find this option called add custom. So you can create your own AOVs. So click on add custom, and we have to write RGBA underscore A and click on create. Okay, let's see what happens. So I will go to this BG Beauty and open render view and render. So click here and go to RGBA. So now you can see all the light that is emitting from Skyfill and Sky Portal, right? Like that, we need to create more custom passes. So we need to create more custom passes. Click on add custom, and we have to write RGBA underscore the name of the group of the light that you have given. You have to write that group's name. So now I will write B and click on create. Okay, also one more, RGBA underscore C. Whatever is the name of your group that you have given, it could be Ram, Shyam, Falana, Dekana, anything it could be. You have to give that name after writing RGBA. It will give you the passes separately for each and every line. Also, what if you want to control the specular created by each and every light separately? For that, you need to create click add custom, and here specular underscore A, specular underscore B. You have to keep in mind it should be case sensitive. If you are writing in like small letters or capital letters, you have to keep it in mind. So the group name should be as it is. So we have created that. Now let's check. Go to BG Beauty layer and click on render. So now let's check. This is RGBA, this is RGBAB, this is RGBAC, and now this specular A, specular B, and specular, and where is specular C? Here is specular C. That is not coming because no specular is being created by our third light. That's why there is no specular. Okay, so these are all the passes that we have created. Okay, now like I have discussed that we need to keep them on in particular layers, not in each and every layer. Okay, like BG Beauty will have most of the passes that we have created on, and bg occlusion, only occlusion should come, or no passes should be there. In bg mat we need to have crypto mats. In z depth we need this z depth to be on, and all other layers they are not needed. Oh sorry, all other passes they are not needed. Okay, so to do that we need to do layer override, that we will discuss in next video.